What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a quick update of my experience with the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So without further ado, let's talk about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Obviously, I did take down some notes. So we're going to talk about battery life. Now, keep in mind that I was using the Pixel 9 Pro XL before jumping into this device because the 9 Pro XL came before the 9 Pro Fold. And let me tell you something. I definitely noticed the difference in battery life. The 9 Pro XL battery is excelente. It is magnifico. It is beautiful. Not to say that the one on the 9 Pro Fold is not, but you can definitely feel the difference. So it took me a while to get accustomed to the 9 Pro Fold battery life, but after a day or two of me using it, I finally started to get a good feel on it, and it has pretty decent battery life. It's not better than the 9 Pro XL, but it's definitely better than the OG Pixel Fold. This thing just went off. Let's go do not disturb because my homies are texting me. So definitely better than the OG Pixel Fold, but not as good as the 9 Pro XL. It lasts me about a full day. Towards the end of the day, I am like at 10%, 15% battery life. But I do talk. Let me give you a quick rundown on what I do. I use it at home for most of the morning and the later afternoons, and then I go to work at 4. At home is always on Wi-Fi. Gradually pick it up, look up something or do something with it, play a little bit of Clash of Clans and put it down. So generally when I go to work, I got about what, 75%, 70%. I go to work, I talk a lot at work on the phone, so I'm on the call for about 3 hours, let's say, on the most cellular. So with that and watching YouTube on my downtime, playing a little bit of games on my downtime, and overall it lasts me all day. The OG Pixel Fold I definitely had to plug in because it would not last me all day. So battery life is good. If you're coming from the Pixel original Fold, you're gonna like this one. If you're coming from the 9 Pro XL, you're definitely gonna notice the difference in battery life. The number 2 topic is cases. I've been trying different cases. I do got a couple of different aramid fiber cases, and the one I'm currently rocking right now is the one from Thinborn. As you can see, very nice case here. I do have a old snap phone thingamajiggy. I don't know what's it called, but it is metal, and then you can still wirelessly charge through it like that. As you can see, bam. And it kind of serves as the kickstand, but this is more of a holder, so you can hold it and then have it open and hold it like that, and have the device not slip out of your hand. And it's super thin. Look at that, super thin. I think it might be even thinner than the camera bump. But this case, good. I've been using it for about a week, so this front portion has not come off. It's on there just fine. It's been on there just good, no issues with it. The tempered glass screen protector is a D brand tempered glass screen protector. It is not the idiot proof one, the 2.0. I bought this one as soon as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold was announced, but it works just fine with the Thinborn aramid fiber slim case. It's edge to edge. It works absolutely fantastic. I like this. This is a perfect combination that you can see. Very nice. No issues with it whatsoever. Bam. Very nice case. I was rocking the official Google Pixel case. That's a good case too. It's a little bit more, gives you a little bit more protection than this one. But that one gets oily as fuck. Like, when you're grabbing the device, if you don't constantly wipe it down, it starts to get very, very ugly. I think this Aramid fiber still gets oily, but I think it does a better job of absorbing those oils and keeping it from kind of getting like greasy, dude. It was kind of nasty. I constantly had to clean that case, but good case nonetheless. It's a good case. But currently tasting this one right here, Thinborn. I do have Patakas. I'm gonna test Patakas and later case. I want to test that one too to see which one's better. But so far, no issues with the Thinborn case. Another thing, remember I had a issue with the dead screen when I went to open it. Bam! It was a long ass pause, and it took a while for the screen to turn on. Well, no longer is that a issue. It turns out to be that it was a app issue. Shane, he's a good YouTuber. He covers pixels very thoroughly, very good. He had mentioned a app called what is it? Quick Cursor, I believe it is. Where is it at? Where is it at? Did I delete it? Right here. Quick Cursor. Now this app is absolutely fantastic. So let's say you're on like X or something, if you want to go back there and you don't want to like reach and get it, so you kind of go like this, boom, a little cursor comes out, tap it, boom, see that, boom, back. It's absolutely fantastic app. Well, that was the culprit of that bug. It's something to do with that. The developer found out about it. I don't know if he found out about it with Shane, but as soon as I figured that was it, because I kind of was like backtracking my steps. What did I do? I disabled the app, boom, everything worked fine. I re-enabled it, it started doing that again. Not even like 30 minutes or an hour after I did that, the developer hit me up saying, because I had posted on Reddit, he hit me up saying that there was an update. He took care of the issue. He had to do like a little workaround and pretty much fixed it. So is there, if you guys want to go ahead and download that app, strongly recommend it, especially if you're coming from an OG Pixel, because it's a lot shorter. You didn't have to like really do like finger finger aerobics to trying to touch down here or do the shuffle or anything with your hand and risk dropping your device. So I strongly recommend you get that good app. Good recommendation by Shane. Another thing, what else are we looking at here? So that issue been resolved. Other than that, I haven't had no bugs, no anything like that. It's been running smooth. Android 14 on these new Pixel 9 series has actually been a pleasure using. It has been a blast. I can't wait for Android 15. Hopefully it's dialed in just like Android 14. And then the form factor, quick cursor is gonna help you with the form factor. So it is a lot taller than the original, a lot thinner, which at first I didn't think I was gonna like, but I actually have grown to like this form factor now. It feels good in your pocket. It feels good. I like to put my while I work, I got front pockets here. I like to just drop my phone there. It fits a lot better. The old Pixel OG Fold, you know, it's kind of wide, so that pocket had to be wide enough, and if it wasn't, it was kind of tight on your chest. This one just slips it right in, no problem. I could put this in my sling bags to slip it in, no problem. My front pocket, no problem. The weight's just tidbit lighter, but it is thinner, which the form factor I'm absolutely loving. The apps, a lot of the apps work just fine with it. Just I think the Gmail app is not working. It's not giving me the tablet form. That's something that I hope they update soon, because I really love that tablet form factor on my OG Pixel Fold. Hopefully I can get it on the 9 Pro Fold. But besides that, everything is running good. Apps are good. Performance is good. I'm loving this front display. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as the OG Fold, but it's good. It's pleasant to use. It just feels like you're using a normal phone. There's nothing to it. It feels like you're using a Pixel 9, and then when you want to expand on that screen and make the screen bigger, boom, you can go and do that. One thing I don't like about that taller display, you see this gap here? between the time and that's all dead space. The time and the date right here, this right here, that's all dead space. I hope there's an update where you can actually utilize that space or scale this up more, because if I go to change anything, let's go with this. You see how I try to pull up? This is dead. You should at least get up to that much right there, and you don't. It's all that right there is dead space, which is, I find it a little odd. As you can see it better right here. That's a lot of dead space for you not to utilize on a big screen like this. So I hope that they do take care of that. But besides that, everything is working fine. Everything is good. Let me talk a little bit about the cellular modem, because I have been using, I talk a lot on my phone and a lot of people don't really cover that. It's been fantastic. Compared to the OG phone, which was rocking the old cellular modem, this one 100% a lot better. Just like I said on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the cellular modems on these bad boys are worth the upgrade of itself. They don't drop calls, sound crystal clear, at least for my carrier, which is T-Mobile. And you know, data's there. They're not dropping data, they're not dropping calls, you're not sounding like a robot. Everything is working fine for the most part right now. So cellular, absolutely fantastic. Performance has been fantastic. There's no issue with performance. Nice and fast. Not overheating. I did use the camera a lot because I was doing a camera comparison. So I was out there, it was hot that day, I had the phones out displayed in the sun. No heating issues, nothing. It just ran perfectly fine. The camera quality picture is way better than the OG Pixel Fold, and it's comparable, if not a tidbit better than the Z Fold 6 and the Open Plus. I am working on that video, so you guys can be judged for yourself and determine if you think it's better or if not. That's to the eye of the beholder. But other than that, everything has been fantastic for the last, I think, a week and a half with this device. I am testing more cases, more tempered glass screen protectors. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys want to see from me out of this device. What do you guys want me to test? Is there anything in particular I want to know? Let me know down in the comment section below. But besides that, it's been a pleasurable time with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Hopefully it continues to be like that, and hopefully it gets better with the soon to be announced Android 15. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Hector, and this is Gadget Beard. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!